folks. Well, here we are at the Rotherham and District Model Flying Club. There's nobody here yet. Just give you a look. It looks like the grass has been cut this week and you can see it's in excellent condition. So today we're going to try flying the CNC Flying Wing with a Mobius camera on board to get some onboard footage. And I've also got a 4S to try, so we'll see how that goes. Well, here's the wing, the one that I did the little video series on, and I've had about half a dozen flights with it now, and it flies absolutely brilliantly, just like the old one did. What I've also done since then is I've added a little grip underneath, which you can see there. And all it is a small piece of plastic, and it's right about where the CG is, so you can see the marks there, and it's just enough to hang on to it. And as I said on the previous video, we nearly all of us here fly mode 1. I mean, I've been flying here for about 16 years now, learnt on mode 1, and sometimes wish to learn mode 2, but I think I'm a bit long in the tooth to change now. But it does make it a little bit more challenging to hand launch by yourself, because you've only got one hand on the aileron and throttle, and the hand you're launching with is on the elevator. It should be on the elevator, so it's not always that easy. So by having a grip there and holding it up fairly high, it gives you a chance to get back on it fairly easily. So we'll see how that goes today. I bought the little GoPro clone, as you can hopefully you can see here, and I've got a little bit of sponge on the side just to help stop the wind noise that you get. It's a little bit breezy today, so we'll see how it goes. And there's the grip now for the launch, so hopefully that should work. Let's just recheck the balance. Yeah, not too bad. Right. Transmitter on. Model select. Flying wing. Connect the battery. Pre-flight checks. Yep. Yep, everything working. Right, let's have a go, see how she goes. Oh, glasses. Wind direction straight across, so we'll go out here. Rates are all correct. That was the problem last time. Yeah, it is a little bit breezy today, so we'll see how we go. Hold on to your hats. Ooh, that was a bit airy. Balance seems okay. Try. It flies really well, this does. If you're interested in CNC, I've created a PDF on my website which you can download, which has got all the details. It's got a little bit more that's on the actual website itself, and it's all in one place. Put a link in the description at the end for you guys. Okay. No power. And later on today we'll try with the 4S. See how that goes. The thing with this model, it can go fast or slow. I'll just bring her in now. Get a little bit of wing waggle when she's slow, but nothing you can't cope with. Let's go for a high one. No power. That's just a spot prop spinning in the wind. Try another low one. She doesn't feel quite as sprightly as the old one, but I'm sure that's due to the batteries. Now, these batteries are quite a few years old now, and they're taking a lot longer to charge than normal, so I think they're due for replacement. Such a good fly, this. Good job there's nobody else here. They'd have been shouting and hollering. This is a Rotherham Rotherham District Rotherham District Model Flying Club. I've been flying here since about 2000-ish, so I've been flying here probably 17 years, and I'm an average flyer. I'm more into building things and seeing how they go. The club's always looking for new members, so if you're in this area, they're pretty strict on safety, which isn't a bad thing. So the way it works is that you can't fly on your own until you've got your A certificate. But while you're learning, as long as a qualified pilot is alongside you, they can take you up, and we do have certified instructors as well, so when you're ready to go for your A certificate, they'll know when you're ready and they'll put you through for it, and then it's up to you. Then you can just come and go as you please. We fly mainly in the afternoons, usually from about midday onwards, although there isn't any restriction. the only real restriction we have is on Sunday after 5 o'clock. We can't fly anything that's particularly noisy, so it usually means nitro models are out, and some of the really noisy electric ducted fans as well. So after 5 o'clock on a Sunday, as long as it's something quiet, that's something like this, there's no problem. So I think I better have one more circuit and then have a go at a landing. See if I can make a good one. Oh, not bad. Mobius is still going, so that looks good. Let's switch her off. Yeah, all looking good. Right, let's give the 4S a go. Now I've remounted the Mobius on top of the 4S, and let's get the Mobius going. Flashing yellow, that means we're recording. Transmitter's on. Check everything. Elevators, ailerons and elevators. Yeah, definitely a lot more power. I did once try the other wing on the 4S, and what it tended to do was just torque roll it, so it may do the same on this. So let's give it a go and see what happens. Looking a bit dark over there. Now which way's the wind? Across. I'll go over here a bit. Rate's correct, yep. Does feel a little bit precarious this, but oh, that didn't go so well. Up in there. Reattach the Mobius and it sounded like the prop came a bit loose. I think it was too much power for it. Maybe still recording. Let's try again with less power. Something not right there. Yeah, I think it's must be a timing error or something. I did have another flight with a 2200 3S and it flew absolutely perfect, so I need to have a look at the speed controller and perhaps set the timing up on it. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe to the video. I'd really appreciate that. And I'll put a link in the description to where you can get the download for the ebook if you're interested. And if you've got any questions about CNC foam cutter, just drop me a line through the website. Always glad to help.